Hello and welcome to another episode of the Dairyland Drifter. I have just a few minutes to show you something that I found that I'm hoping is a game changer for me in the garden at home. Did you know that you can use soaker hoses with a rain barrel system? This year in my garden I decided that rather than hand watering my onions all year, I would try a soaker hose. And I looked around all over the place to try and find the right one. Couldn't find it anywhere until I found Blue Barrel Systems on the internet. And Blue Barrel Systems sells a special soaker hose that's designed specifically for no flow or low flow watering systems. So I have a 2-barrel rain barrel system here along the side of my house on each side, one for each garden. And I've tried it out a couple of times and it seems to work really well. So I'm hoping this is the game changer I've been looking for. BlueBarrelSystems.com. It might be worth a look. Thanks for watching. As always, like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one here on the Dairyland Drifter.